Yo, 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 what's up, beautiful people? We're diving into the heart of hustle, the land of opportunity. Kenya. The world thinks Africa is all about safaris, but there's a revolution happening here. Kenyans are ditching the 9-to-5 grind and building their own empires, brick by digital brick. We're talking young people with more ambition than a lion on a gazelle hunt, turning side hustles into global businesses faster than you can say M-Pesa. This isn't an exclusive club for the privileged few. This is about regular people, just like you and me, taking control of their destinies. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the Kenyan secret to entrepreneurial success. Now you might be wondering, why Kenya? What makes this place so special? It's simple. Kenyans are tired of waiting for handouts. They'd rather create their own opportunities. Kenya's got a young, vibrant population bursting with creativity and hungry for success. Plus, the internet penetration here is off the charts. 54% of small businesses are already online, selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to organic coffee beans. With government initiatives like eCitizen making it easier to register a business, there's never been a better time to jump on the Kenyan hustle train. Forget Silicon Valley, this is the Silicon Savannah, where the entrepreneurial spirit runs wild. Ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, but not sure where to start? Find your niche, that sweet spot where your passion meets a real-world problem you can solve. What gets you fired up? What are you naturally good at? Are you a whiz in the kitchen whipping up culinary masterpieces? Maybe you've got a knack for fashion, turning heads with your unique style. Or perhaps you're a tech geek, coding circles around the competition. Whatever your passion, there's a way to turn it into a thriving business. If you can identify a need and create a product or service that fulfills it, you're already halfway there. Hit us up in the comments and tell us about your skills and interests. We'll help you brainstorm some killer business ideas. All right, you've got your $1 million idea, ready to quit your day job and go all in. Hold your horses. Before you bet the farm, it's crucial to validate it. Even the most amazing ideas can fall flat if there's no market demand. Research, my friend, research. Use free tools like Google Trends to see how many people are searching for products or services like yours. Check out online forums and social media groups to gauge people's interest and get feedback on your concept. It's better to spend a little time up front validating your idea than to waste months building something nobody wants. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, bureaucracy. I know it's about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me, getting the legal side of your business sorted is crucial. Registering a business in Kenya is easier and more affordable than ever before. You can now register your business online for as little as 1,000 Kenyan shillings. By going legit, you're opening up a world of opportunities. You can open a business bank account, access government grants and loans, and even start exporting your products internationally. Embrace the power of transparency. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's talk money. Starting a business usually requires some capital, but don't let a lack of funds hold you back. Kenyan entrepreneurs are masters of resourcefulness, finding creative ways to fund their dreams. The world of crowdfunding has arrived, and it's changing the game. Take 19-year-old Mary, for example. She used TikTok to showcase her unique Matumba export business, attracting investors from around the globe. No collateral, no credit checks, just pure hustle and a killer pitch. If TikTok's not your thing, there are plenty of other crowdfunding platforms out there like Kickstarter and GoFundMe. You can also explore microloan options from organizations that support entrepreneurship. There's money out there if you know where to look. Don't be afraid to get creative and pitch your heart out. You don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment to run a successful business in Kenya. Your smartphone is your secret weapon. With the right apps and a little bit of know-how, you can manage almost every aspect of your business from the palm of your hand. Need to create stunning marketing materials? There's an app for that. Want to track your inventory and sales? There's an app for that too. Your smartphone is your gateway to entrepreneurial success. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but these are just isolated success stories. These aren't just stories, they're blueprints for your own success. Some of Kenya's most iconic brands started with nothing more than a dream and a few thousand shillings. From the shoe shiner who saved every penny to build a footwear empire to the mama mboga who turned her roadside stall into a chain of supermarkets, the stories are endless. The common thread? Hustle, determination, and an unwavering belief in their vision. These entrepreneurs didn't wait for permission or handouts. They saw an opportunity and seized it with both hands. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity is knocking and Kenya's open for business. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back. The only difference between you and those successful entrepreneurs you admire is action. Take that first step, however small it may seem. Write down your business idea, research your target market, register your business name. Every journey starts with a single step, and the best time to take it is now. You'll learn, adapt, and grow along the way. The most important thing is to start. Kenya's waiting for you. As the sun sets over the Nairobi skyline, one thing is clear. Kenya's entrepreneurial spirit is burning brighter than ever. This is a nation of dreamers, doers, and innovators, where the impossible is just a challenge waiting to be conquered. The time for dreaming is over. The time for action is now. Kenya's waiting for your idea, your passion, your hustle. Go out there and build it. Kenya's waiting for your idea.